Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 7th of September till 13th of September, okay? And we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. What is happening, Scorpios? In every shuffle you want just the cards wants to come out for you, I guess. Let's see. Are you excited? I'm feeling that you're excited a lot. That is why the cards are just popping. See? Okay. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright? So let's see now. Last shuffle, please. Alright, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, okay? So let's start now. Two of Wands is here in your present scenario with the issue as the Fool. It's like you want to travel but you cannot travel. You want to do something but you cannot do it because there's always some options in front of you. That is what is happening right now in your life. See, how this works is like you want to explore new things, you want to explore new life, and you are behaving like someone who is a child from inside but a very enthusiastic person. But you just cannot just leave your home, and I know why, because no one is ready, no one is able to leave right now, but you just want to explore and you cannot go from. See how you have planned so many things where you have to go around the world, and you have the bus tickets as well. So this is more about like how to go. You have the plannings have been done, but you cannot just do it. Your mind is all about Eight of Wands. You want to travel, you want communication, because that is what you want. The past energies are telling me the world is the process which has been ended, because after the world the Fool comes, 21, and this is the number 0. So after it, this has been finished. The process, whatever cycle in which you were in, might be a karmic cycle, might be a bad toxic cycle you were involved in, that has been over, that has been finished. And that is why you're ready for new start. But it's like the speed and the environment, the conditions, they're not working on your favor right now. The base of the reading is 5 of Wands. It's like a lot of competition, a lot of people are involved in this thing that you just cannot, only one person will get the chance. So it's more about that thing. 4 of Pentacles in your future energies. You are very determined. You are going to be the one who is going to hold on to this energy of not letting go of something. And this not letting go is not just a small thing. This is more about, with the 2 of Wands, I'm seeing that it's like you have two ways to go. You have one place and you have the second one. So you have two options. You have to do what is good for you, and basically you know what you have to do. You know that the decision has been taken by you. It's all, you are just waiting for the perfect timing, and then you are going to, because that is what you are holding on. See your future and your final outcome with the Queen of Pentacles. It's just wow. It's like that this thing will give me growth, this thing will give me a lot of maturity, will come in my life with this thing, and you are holding on to that thing, and that is really good because you know what is right and what is wrong for you. King of Pentacles, see, this is your energies right now. Well, this is a Taurus energy. but it's like with the King of Pentacles at present you are behaving like. And one more thing, we have the couple over here with the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. It is the beautiful patient couple who is like, they don't talk much, they just work and they focus on the good things. A very beautiful energy, Scorpios. How people see you with the moon. So obviously Scorpios are the secretive people. You have secrets, hidden secrets, you have a lot. People see you the same. People know that you are keeping some things inside you and not telling them. Seven of Swords in your hopes and fears. So you are always, you are like, there are trust issues with you. You don't trust anyone. You cannot just trust anyone because people, you know that people are here to just betray you. That is why the fear is that the people around you, so that is why you are being secretive. That is why people know that you are secretive, and because you are not able to trust anyone. Okay, for some of you, you are really going to meet someone just like you, because with the King of Pentacles, it's your present energies. It's like that, you know, at some point, because this is your final outcome with the Queen of Coins. How beautiful she is, right? See how beautifully she is dressed. I love her really. Let's see why the Two of Wands is here in your current scenario. For my Scorpios, please, why the Two of Wands is here in the current scenario of my Scorpios. Too many cards. Three of Swords, the Hanged Man, and Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so a different energy is coming up over here. It's like that you are dealing with a heartbreak over here, okay? And it is like there are two situations in this thing. One is to either wait for this person and one is to move on, okay? Well, the issue over here with the Fool is that you want to move on, but you are not able to move on because you are still hanging with the same decision, with the same person. Somewhere deep down inside you are still thinking. It's like moving on is very easy to say, but it's really hard to do. That is what, because you have become emotional. You are still waiting somewhere for someone to come back in your life, but you want to move on. But that is the issue, okay? It's like someone is just holding you back. Let's see why the Fool is here. Yeah, so the manipulations, the betrayal was there with someone. You want to start new again, but it's like the trust, you are not ready to trust someone because the trust issues are here. You are like, we want something but still you don't want it, okay? You wanted a marriage, you wanted a new stable beginning with someone, but how is it possible when there are trust issues, when there are betrayals, right? This is what is happening right now. Let's see why the Eight of Wands is here. Okay, Four of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Emperor. Someone is very stubborn in your case, either it's you or someone else, but it's like you want communication, but someone is like very stubborn and very much dominant, okay? So I'm getting that someone is really that I will not do this thing, because you know that I word is really big for someone over here, and you want it fast. You, if you're waiting for someone, you really want this thing to happen fast, but it's working slow. It's not going so fast as you want. Let's see why the Five of Wands is here. Page of Cups, Temperance, Moon and Chariot. Yeah. See, just moving on in your life from outside, it will not count, okay? You have to move from inside. You have to balance yourself, because you are showing, you are being so secretive right now, that you are showing everyone that you have moved on. This is how you are actually showing people that you have balanced yourself, but still somewhere you are waiting for that message to come up, to pop up, and you will just, you know, you're waiting for just hi, hello kind of a message, a call even. So this is how you are behaving. You're showing that it's balanced, but it's not. Your mind and heart, they are really different right now. Four of Pentacles, your future energies, and Ten of Cups, Four of Swords. All right. You're holding on to your growth, you know. You're holding on that, no, I will wait, I will wait, and I will think regarding this decision. I will not move on until this person comes up, because you want a happy family, okay? But with the strength as well, it's like you have a very different kind of a feeling I'm seeing. It's like that you want your growth as well, you want this person. Basically, if this is a situation as well, you want you also moving forward with this situation as well, okay? Parallelly, you want to just move on. You just cannot finish anything just like that. It's that thing. Let's see why the Queen of Pentacles is here in the final outcome. So many cards. Eight of Pentacles. What else? What else do we have? These cards, okay. So Queen of Cups we have. So the final outcome is the Queen of Pentacles with the Eight of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. So the emotions, they are here. Emotions are also here, as well as your growth is also here. All you have to focus is on the work. You have to put a lot of effort on yourself. This is what I'm getting. Okay, it's not just about emotions, it's about your growth, it's about the maturity, it's about the mental peace as well, which is important for you. Okay, Scorpios, so you have to work on, just not on something else. All you have to do is you have to really work on yourself, because that is what it is telling. You have to put all your focus and all your mind on your self love, on yourself. Okay, so that's all from my side. I hope it helps, Scorpios, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.